Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to connect your Canva landing page with Google Forms and Sheets in just a few steps? Click Create, select Website, and choose Website for this tutorial. Find the landing page template and select one to use. Let's try this Products Over Service landing page website now. Click Apply to add all 4 pages to your Canva design. Open Apps, type Embed, press Enter, then select your Google form. Select this form, then link your Google Sheets by clicking Publish to connect the data. After publishing, copy the Google Form link or embed code. Then, paste it into your site. This completes adding the form to your article sheet. Add the element to your landing page and position it anywhere visible. You can also place it at the bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and add it here now. Place this into the section now. You can add another page in Google Forms here. We will try this, and after you are done, proceed with the next steps as needed. Click Share, then Download. You can resize, set PDF standards, and ensure all pages are selected before clicking Download. Now you know how to build a landing page in Canva, and link it to forms and sheets like, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.